Hello everyone, how to solve this very nice problem for the value of x, square root of x into square root of x into square root of x plus square root of x is equal to 10, and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, suppose that square root of x is equal to t. Now by using this supposition, we get t multiplied by t plus t is equal to 10. And now when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So this will implies t cube plus t is equal to 10. Now t cube plus t, move this 10 from right hand side to left hand side, and this will become negative 10 is equal to 0. Now t cube plus t minus 10, we can write this as minus 8 plus into minus 2. Minus 8 and minus 2 gives us minus 10 is equal to 0. Now t cube plus t minus 8 is the 2 cube. If we multiply 2 3 times, we get 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now rearranging t cube minus 2 cube plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by using an algebraic identity, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now here in the place of a, we have t and b is 2. So by using this identity, t minus 2 into t squared plus t into 2 plus 2 squared plus t minus 2, and the whole thing is equal to 0. This implies t minus 2 into t squared plus 2t plus 2 squared 4 plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. Now t minus 2, take it common, and inside here t squared plus 2t plus 4, and here plus t minus 2, which we have taken it common, and inside 1 will be left is equal to 0. Now we have t minus 2 into t squared plus 2t plus 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get t minus 2 is equal to 0, and here t squared plus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. From t minus 2 is equal to 0, we get t is equal to 2. And this is a quadratic equation. T squared plus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. To find the value of t from this quadratic equation, we will use the quadratic formula, which is 14 minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 multiplied by a. And here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. Now by using these values in this formula, we get t is equal to negative b, which is 2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c, which is 5, divided by 2a, which is a is 1, 2 multiplied by 1. Now t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1, 4, and 4 5s are 20, divide by 2. Now from this we get t is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 20 gives us minus 16 divided by 2. And now t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 16. We can write this as 16 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. And now t is equal to minus 2 plus minus, if a be whole square root, then we can write this as square root of a into square root of b. So here we can write this as square root of 16 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Now t is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16, which is 4, and square root of minus 1, which is iota divided by 2. Now t is equal to, take 2 common from numerator, and inside here minus 2, 2 which we have taken it common, and negative 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. 2i will be left inside the bracket, divide by 2. And now t is equal to, this 2 cancel with this 2, and we will left with minus 1 plus minus 2i. So we have two values of t from here. T is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, and t is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. And first we have found that t is equal to 2. Now recall that we have supposed that square root of x is equal to 2, and here we are interested to find x. So our supposition is square root of x is equal to t. Now square root of x is equal to t when t is 2. So square root of x is equal to 2. Now squaring on both sides. This square root will cancel with this, and here x is equal to 2 squared, which is 4. This is the first value of x. X is equal to 4. And when square root of x is equal to t, when t is equal to minus 1 plus 2 iota. So by taking squaring on both sides, so here this will cancel, and x is equal to a plus b whole squared. So by using the formula a plus b whole squared, which is a squared plus b squared plus 2 into a into b. So now x is equal to minus squared, which is plus, and 1 squared, which is 1, plus 2 squared gives us 4, and I squared gives us I squared. And here minus into plus gives us minus, 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4i. And now we know that I squared iota square is equal to minus 1. So here x is equal to 1 plus 4 into minus 1 in the place of iota square minus 4i. So here x is equal to 1 minus into plus minus 4 multiplied by 1, 4 minus 4i. So we get x is equal to 1 minus 4, which is minus 3 minus 4i. So this is the second value of x. This is the first and this is the second. And similarly, when t is equal to minus 1 minus 2i, so square root of x is equal to t. Here in the place of plus, this is minus, and we will use an algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So finally we get x3 is equal to minus 3 plus 4i. This is the real solution, and these are the complex solutions. Thank you for watching.